Hi friends, today I am going to show you a simple program how to find the factorial of a number. Okay, here just I am going to show you the factorial of 4. Go to the Python terminal, and the factorial of 4 is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The factorial of 4 is 24. Next, the factorial of 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and the factorial of 6 is 720. Next, I am going to write the program for how to find the factorial of a number. In this number, I am going to take the input number from the user. Okay, and it is saved into a variable, and that variable name is number equals input enter a non-negative number to find the factorial. Okay, and next, factorial equals 1. In this program, I am going to find the factorial of a number using a simple for loop. Okay, for I in range of number. Okay, then factorial equals factorial times I plus 1. In this for loop, I keeps incrementing, and the range of number is range of 5. It provides a list of number starting with 0 up to 1 less than that number 5. Here you can see it is a list. The output is list starting with 0 and 1 less than that number 5. It is 4. And range of 10. It is also it is a list, and it starting with 0 and 1 less than that number 10. It is 9. Okay, here we already declared that the factorial is 1. Okay, then here the factorial is 1 times, here I is 0. The range of number I is 0, and I plus 1, it will be 1. 1 times 1 equals factorial is 1. Then it keeps the value of I keeps incrementing in this for loop. At last we will get the factorial of the number. Then print factorial. Okay, then save that program and run it in a terminal. Python factorial.py. Enter a non-negative number to find the factorial. I am going to enter the number 6. It is 720. We already find the factorial of 6 is 720. Next I am going to find the 4 factorial. Here we get the output is 24, and run this program and enter a non-negative number to find the factorial. I give 4, the output is 24. Okay, I think you get the program how to find the factorial of a number. Okay, thank you friends for watching my video. Thank you.